Sun's almost setting, so I got a couple minutes. Should make it over there in the next 10. It's a lot nicer out today. This is when it's really nice to come out here. Last time I came out, I got my feet wet, and came out here with some bad shoes. They weren't very good. The Skechers, actually, which are not really made for the woods in the winter. They just look like they are, but they're not. Anyway, I couldn't really walk. My toes are so numb, it hurt, and my fingers were, I just couldn't keep them warm. It really hurt last shot. It's kind of nice coming out here without all that mess. Should be over there probably soon. I had a duck and dive through. Actually, dog tracks are out here. You can see them in the snow.